My dryer stopped drying clothes and they're always left damp and requiring multiple cycles. This is what I did to clean out my dryer vent and get everything working properly the way that it should. The first thing to check is the primary filter. That's that thing that you're like supposed to check every time you use the dryer, but nobody ever really does. Yeah, that thing. And it's usually located just inside the dryer door. Slide it up and scrape off any accumulated lint. Now with the filter out, I was actually able to get my vacuum down in there and vacuum out some additional lint that was jammed around that filter. I found some lint and some other smaller items from the dryer that just got stuck down in there, so I was able to clean all of that out very easily. Now with the filter back in place, go ahead and turn the dryer on and then head outside. Find the exit for the vent, and if you look up underneath it, you can kind of see how that little door works to let out hot air while the dryer is running, which it is. This is a brush kit and they're available on Amazon for about $20. Now, if you want the exact one that I'm using in this video, I do have it linked in the video description. You can click on the link if you want more information. Now, all the brush kits are kind of similar. They're gonna have a lot of connecting rods that you sort of screw together, and that's gonna give you the desired length that you need. On one end is gonna be a brush attachment that screws on, and on the other end, you can connect it to a drill. Now remember, every project is better with power tools, and that includes this one. Switch the drill to the clockwise position, or the Tighten position, or the forward position, whatever it's called. Make sure that it stays in that position and don't switch it to reverse when your brush is inside the vent, because what'll happen is you'll unscrew the connecting rods or the brush head or something, and it'll come apart in the dryer vent and you won't be able to get it out. Then you're going to need a totally different video, and you're on your own there. Now snake the brush into the vent, and while spinning, keep inserting it deeper and deeper into that vent as you go. You're going to start seeing some debris start flying out. Keep going deeper. Eventually you'll hit sort of a natural stop point. Now don't force it or go try to push it harder or whatever. Just, respect that natural stop point. And while spinning, start pulling it back out through. Now this is when the lint and stuff is going to get really wild. You should be seeing a ton of debris flying out of that vent, because remember, the dryer is on, so the air is flowing out that vent anyways, and you're in there stirring up a bunch of lint and debris and whatever. It's going to come flying out. My vent isn't that dirty. Yours might be dirtier or whatever, but you're going to have a bunch of crap come flying out of there. Safety glasses and a respirator aren't necessarily a bad idea. Now, I like to repeat that step a few times. With the dryer vent clean, it's actually going to work again and dry the clothes. I like to do this twice a year, once in the spring, once in the fall. Now, if you like this video, I've got another video about how to clean your roof. You know those dark stains that you get on your roof that sort of run down the roof into the gutters? You can actually clean those up fairly easily, and your roof is actually going to look brand new when you're done. If you want to check that out, you can click into that video right now. Hello.
Ooh, did we get you making a presentation?
Oh yeah, just talking to my internet friends.